Alright, I wanted to put together a push-up video, so I want to show you progressions moving from a basic push-up to the point where you're flowing around on the floor. So what we're going to do is we're going to work through 6 different progressions. The first is a basic push-up. The second is going to be a towel-assisted push-up. After that, we're going to work the archer push-up. Then we're going to move into typewriter push-ups, moving back and forth. Then we're going to get the legs involved with typewriter push-ups, transitioning back and forth. Then we're going to start kicking the outside leg underneath. So the first thing I want to say is I don't know when you're going to be able to progress to the next progression. It takes time, it takes repetition, and you've got to eat dirt for a while until the day you feel like you can finally jump to the next level. So stay consistent, do the work, build your strength, do the basics, then make the jump. But this is what it's going to look like. So all in one shot here. So you'd start with basic push-ups. So this is where you begin, all right? So you're gonna build endurance, strength, work capacity here. Next, I have a towel here because that's what slides best on this hard surface. But you're gonna work towel-assisted push-ups, all right? You're gonna get used to having this arm out away from your base of support, and you're gonna get your body used to the loading, all right? So your arms gotta get used to pressing more load with this variation. From there, we can spread the arms apart a little bit wider than shoulder width, and we can work archer push-ups. So you're gonna lower to each side. Non-working side is gonna be straight from wrist to elbow to shoulder. Alternating sides. From there, you might want to spread your hands out a little bit further. We can work typewriter push-ups. So you're going to stay low, no change in height, side to side, constant tension, core's involved, hips stay off the ground. From here, you can move into a push-up, leg moves, arm moves, slide across, in, push-up. Leg, arm, across, push-up. From here, this is where we start to flow. So hopefully I don't make contact with my squat rack. I'm gonna press, step, reach, slide across. Whew. So those are 6 fantastic push-up exercise variations. From a basic push-up to the point where you're flowing around, and you can add that element into other movement flows, but that's how you build it up. Give it a shot.